Hello, my name is George Brown and I am the Applications and Solutions Team Leader for Robotics, Safety and Vision Technologies here at OMRON in the UK. Today I'd like to introduce you to our proof of concept services and how we can help you with your manufacturing challenges. Often adopting new technology can be overwhelming and prone to elements of risk, which is why we have developed our proof of concept service. This is a service in which OMRON works with our customers to truly understand their application requirements, devise potential solutions together and implement physical tests with real product and real manufacturing hardware, helping to ensure that the project is first suitable for technology and if so, that it becomes a successful one. Utilising our proof of concept laboratories across Europe, we're able to test a wide variety of different scenarios from flexible feeding, conveyor tracking, quality inspection and many more. As well as this, we're also able to emulate an endless amount of machine layouts so we can recognise optimal solutions and identify any potential inefficiencies. By collaborating with our network of industry and product experts at OMRON, concepts of the right solution can be discussed at the very start and high-level support is delivered throughout the entire process of the project. For any inquiries on how we at OMRON can collaborate with you on your own applications, please contact your local OMRON representative or sales office. Thank you.